Welcome back, friends. I'm Alexius Varro, your guide on the path to Stoic living. Today, we delve into a powerful lesson from Marcus Aurelius's Meditations, particularly an insight that rings as true today as it did centuries ago. It's from day 54. Circumstances don't care about our feelings. Marcus Aurelius, one of Rome's greatest emperors and Stoic philosophers, often turned to short quotes and fragments from other writers to remind himself of important lessons. This particular quote is borrowed from the playwright Euripides, whose works, though mostly lost to time, still echo through Marcus's Meditations. The quote goes, "What good is it to be angry at things? Things don't care about our feelings." Let's unpack this powerful idea. Imagine for a moment you're in the midst of a tumultuous day. Perhaps you're stuck in traffic on your way to an important meeting or facing an unexpected personal crisis. Our natural response might be anger, frustration, or anxiety. But why do we respond this way? Marcus reminds us that the circumstances themselves, those traffic jams, those sudden crises, are indifferent to our feelings. They do not care about our emotional reactions. After all, they are non-sentient. They cannot perceive, let alone be influenced by, our frustrations. Marcus Aurelius borrowed this insight to underline a crucial Stoic principle. External events are beyond our control and, crucially, are indifferent to our emotional states. So, why expend energy on anger or distress when these emotions have no power to change the situation? This thought is beautifully captured from a fragment of a lost play by Euripides, where a character begins to doubt the existence of the gods and their concern for human affairs. In his line, he asks, "Why be anxious about causes and forces far greater than us? Why take such things to heart? For external events and indifferent gods, our rage or pleas are meaningless. Whether we rage or remain calm, the circumstances will unfold as they will." Think about it. External events are not rational beings. They cannot respond to our cries and screams. Whether it's the weather, the economy, or the behavior of others, these are factors we cannot control. In modern life, this might be as simple as dealing with a rude person or as complex as navigating global crises. Marcus's reminder helps center us. Circumstances are incapable of taking into account your feelings, your worries, or your anxieties. They don't care about your reaction. They are not human. So stop behaving as though your agitation can influence the situation. The situation does not care about it. As someone who has navigated both the corporate world and personal transformation, I've seen firsthand how liberating this mindset shift can be. In the corporate world, where high stakes and rapid changes are the norms, responding with emotional detachment rather than frustration can significantly improve decision-making and leadership. On a personal level, embracing this Stoic wisdom can bring profound peace and inner calm. Now, let's bring it all together with a practical Stoic challenge for the day. Think of a situation you're currently facing that you can't control. It could be a project at work, a personal relationship, or even the unpredictable weather. Each time you feel anger or frustration bubbling up, remind yourself of Marcus's wisdom. Acknowledge that these feelings, although natural, are ineffective against changing the situation. Instead, direct your energy towards what you can control, your actions and responses. Remember, resilience is not about being impervious to emotions, but about channeling them constructively. Develop self-discipline by choosing not to be swayed by external chaos and cultivate an inner calm that remains steady. Over time, you'll find this practice not only helps you navigate life's complexities, but also helps you grow stronger and more centered. Thank you for joining me today on this journey into the wisdom of Marcus Aurelius. If you found value in this lesson, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights from the timeless world of Stoicism. Together, let's continue to build a life of practical virtue and inner peace.